Hello, am I audible? Hello. Yes. So, welcome all of you. So, today onwards, we are starting the paper analysis series. Today, tomorrow, continuously 4 days we are planning. And yeah, some of you have written Saturday and Sundays or Saturday or Sundays exam. If so, let me know how the exam went and how aptitude section was. I have seen most of the questions which came in Saturday and Sunday's question paper. Not all of them. Some of them, so official question paper is not released. Memory based wordings is what we have seen. So what I have understood is, or what I have when I gone through the question, what we can understand is the whole question paper was not easy, but there were many simple questions. Many questions which are simple. 2-3 questions were little tough. Yeah, we can say that Saturday afternoon session was comparatively easy than Saturday morning session. Sunday's question, I didn't get all the questions yet. I'm waiting for students to send it. If any of you have questions of Sunday's exam, please let me know. Panda, actually this lecture series of different topics we will continue after this 4 sessions. In this 4 session, that topics will be covered, Panda. So don't worry. Yeah, once again, good evening, one and everyone. Yes, Arpit, remaining topics will be covered. In this week itself, we will take the most important topics we will take. Now, almost all the important topics we have taken. 1 or 2 topics more we will be taking before the exam. Through this practice of this paper analysis, you will get a proper idea what are the topics they are asking more in this exam. Especially those who are preparing for coming Saturday and Sunday's exam. Please go through these questions. 4 set of question papers you have already got. Saturday, Sunday, forenoon and afternoon, 4 question paper. For that 4 question papers aptitude section, please practice. That will definitely boost your confidence before your exam, and that will definitely give you an idea how they are asking the question this time. And believe me, Saturday's question paper, many repeated question was there in Sunday. Repeated means not same question, but same type of question. That if you expect this question, then it is easy to answer it. That kind of questions were asked. So, I attend 7 aptitude. Okay, wonderful, Arjuman. So good to hear. Okay, so let us start. New students, Telegram channel of mine is Christy's classes, and Telegram group is Christy Varghese Unacademy, and WhatsApp group, if you want to be part of, you can search, you can text to this number and get added to the group. And if you want more study materials, you can also be part of my mobile application Christy's classes, available in Play Store. Even in these groups also, daily quizzes, daily study materials, daily videos are posted. You can be part of it and learn more for GATE General Aptitude and CSIR-NET General Aptitude. And daily at 11 a.m. free lecture series in Unacademy also is running. Tomorrow 11 a.m. also that free lecture series is running in Unacademy. So you can be part of it by searching this my name in Unacademy website or Unacademy mobile application. So good to hear, Arjuman. Yeah, the comprehension question was there in all the 4 set, and all of them were simple. All of them were simple. 2-mark question you can ensure. Just like we expected, comprehension came in all the question paper. So hopefully those who are preparing for upcoming Saturday, Sunday exam also, comprehension question you can expect. So let us start. So once again I am telling, these are memory based wordings. So exact question, slight variations can be there, especially in long question. This question should be correct itself, because in multiple sources, this is how the question is visible. So let us start. We are today discussing 5th February morning session, that is Computer Science Engineering and Biomedical Engineering had this question paper. Again, all science and B.Tech stream aptitude section is common for GATE exam. So we are starting one by one. Saturday's forenoon session question paper today. Saturday afternoon session question paper tomorrow. Sunday forenoon session question paper on Wednesday. And Sunday for afternoon session on Thursday. So that is the plan. All of you make a try this question. So sentence completion question, so simple question asked in verbal ability part. As I told, verbal ability normally comprehension 2 mark and sentence completion or grammar, vocabulary, etc. will be asked 1 mark or 2 mark. This time also it was like that, 1 mark for grammar, vocabulary, comprehension 2 mark. And the good thing was the sentence completion or the vocabulary and grammar question asked was very simple. In all the 4 set, what I have seen is that. So try this. Any answers? And all of you try to invite your friends also to the session. Anyone who want to learn these questions and anyone who want to hear this paper analysis series, invite them, all of you. Any B.Tech stream students or any M.Sc stream students who want to attend can be invited to the session. Okay, very good. Most of you got it right. So what is the idea? Dash is too high for it to be considered dash. Substitute each options and check. That's the best thing to do in these questions so that we get an idea what they are trying to convey. Fair is too high for it to be considered fair. All these are homophones or fair. These two words are homophones. What is the meaning of homophones? Homophones are words which sounds the same but means differently. So fair, the pronunciation is same, but how the meaning is different. So fair, what is the meaning? This fair meaning is ticket price or price of it. Bus fare we say, na bus ticket price or bus fare. So that is fair, price, and this fare is reasonable or correct. That fare, correct or correct, we can say the meaning. FARE is the price. So the price is too high for it to be considered correct or reasonable. So definitely FARE should be the first word. FAIR should be the second word. So option C is the answer. FARE, FAIR. Yeah, the position of options will be different. Yes, Shweta, in Unacademy also I have taken some of these questions. Yeah, but I will be discussing new questions also. The questions we haven't discussed there also I will be taking. I have got 9 questions. I got this set 9 questions I have got from students. Memory based wording question. So extra questions also we will be discussing. In Unacademy we haven't discussed this question, this question, this question, this question. And this question is in the afternoon set. All other questions, yeah, almost 3 or 4 questions are extra we are discussing today. Yes, Naimi. Actually, Naimi, in the session what we are doing is only the Saturday forenoon session question paper questions we are discussing. In the evening time, we are taking more time to learn these things in detail, because this series 4 sessions we will be taking 4 question paper, 1 in each day, 1 on each day. So try the next question. So verbal ability, one more. Yeah, verbal ability first we will finish and then go to non-verbal ability. So verbal ability, try this. Yeah, those of you attended my morning session today we have discussed this, but for the new students we will discuss once more. So try this. In the comprehension practice session, I have told you some words, even if you are not exactly understanding the meaning, it is okay. Try to read the whole question, try to look at the answer options. This question also, the answer option is so simple that even if you don't understand all the words exact meaning, still you can get the answer easily. So make a try. After that I will explain. Okay, many of you got it right. Wonderful. All of you try it. Yeah, so I'll start explaining. So some people believe that what gets measured improves. What gets measured improves. Some other believe that what get measured get gained. So there are two opinions. What get measured improves, what get measured get gained. That are the two opinions. Uh, Mangesh, thank you so much for the good words. Mangesh is saying that his exam went well and aptitude section was very good due to the lectures. Thank you so much, Mangesh. Yeah, the free course we're running 16 lectures. We completed almost all the major topics we have completed. My plan was to take 30 lectures, but as I told, health issues happened in between. So that is why I had to restrict it to most important topics. But from that most important topics itself, 7 to 8 questions easily you can score. In each of the 4 question paper, questions were there from that topics itself. The most important topics we have taken, that topics itself, there were 7 to 8 easy questions. And those who are preparing for the upcoming Saturday Sunday exam, I will show you some more topics that you should concentrate based on the Saturday Sunday's question paper. I will show you some more topics that you should concentrate so that before the upcoming, especially life science students and other stream students, physics students are also there, and other B.Tech stream students are also there, who are preparing for the upcoming Saturday Sunday exams. I will point out some more topics for you in the upcoming days. So follow the classes and you will be able to learn them. Okay, once again, thank you so much, Mangesh, for the good words. Yeah, after your GATE exam, I will be so happy to hear from you how your exam went well, whether how your exam went and how aptitude section was for you. So let me know after the session, especially those who attended my full-length course. Please try to let me know either in the live session or in the group. You can mention how the exam went. And if you remember any question, do share it in the group so that I can add it in the paper analysis series. Because as you know, official question paper from GATE will take time to come. So now memory based wordings only we have. So that is what we are analyzing. Okay, so coming back, so some people believe that what get measured improves. Some people believe that what get measured get gained. One possible reason for the difference in the beliefs. So these two beliefs are there. Now, yeah, we don't know the context of this passage, what context they are saying this, but we can understand that there are two perspectives. Now, one perspective is when what gets measured improves, what get measured get gained. Yeah, how it is gained, how improves, we don't know that. In what context it is told, that also we don't know that. But that is totally okay. That is totally okay. And reason for the difference in the beliefs is the work culture in organization. So depending upon the work culture in organization, these two perspective changes are there. In organization with good work culture, metrics help improve outcomes. Metrics means related to measurement or a standard of measurement, we can say, connected to measurement or a system of measurement, we can say. So everything is measured or everything is set. So however, the same metrics are counterproductive. Counterproductive is the word we have discussed in our verbal ability session also. Counterproductive means not productive, opposite of productive. So counterproductive, not productive in organizations with poor work culture. In organization with good work culture, it helps to improve outcomes. But in organization with poor work culture, it is counterproductive. That means does not improve outcome or not helpful. From this, yeah, there is a sentence in between what can be inferred. Normally, every comprehension passage have that sentence now. Yes, it is memory based wording. All the words, some words or some part will be missing. So metrics are useful in organization with poor work culture? No. Are useful? Wrong. Not useful in poor work culture organization, counterproductive. That is why option A is wrong. What about option B? Metrics are always counterproductive in organization with good work culture. No, in good work culture, it is not counterproductive. It is improving outcome. It is improving outcome means not at all counterproductive. Metrics are never useful in organization with good work culture. Totally wrong. It is useful. Metrics are useful in organization with good work culture. Yes. Improve outcome is the keyword that gives you the answer first. Is that clear, all of you? Why option D is the answer? Then let's go to, so these were the only two verbal ability question aspect. Expected 3 marks only came from verbal ability. Even if we could not spare more time for verbal ability in our course, questions came mainly from what the topic we expected, comprehension. And the sentence completion, as I told, if you are lucky, simple words will come, simple question will come, and we got simple question. All the 4 set, there was such a question, homophone related question. The other set, mathematical science set, the question was heel and heel. Heel of a chapel, that heel, and heel to get cured. Related to fair, likewise heel was asked. In the Sunday exam, tire and tire, that was the question. So likewise, this kind of a question was there in all the 4 set. So those of you are preparing for the upcoming Saturday, Sunday exam, try to focus on this. I will give you a few homophones in the upcoming class. Don't worry. Follow this channel and follow the upcoming classes. Before your exam, I will try to cover all those. So yeah, this is the non-verbal ability. Yeah, some verbal ability aspect also you should understand basically, but it is non-verbal. The syllogism part we discussed now. From that, this was asked. And syllogism was in the afternoon session also. Tomorrow we will discuss that question. Make it try, all of you. Make it try, all of you. Again, if you don't know the meaning of inquisitive, don't worry. As I told many times, all the word meaning are not needed to find the correct answer. Yeah, if it was a vocabulary question which is asking the meaning of inquisitive, there knowing the meaning of inquisitive was necessary. But in this question, inquisitive, just consider it as a set. Students consider it as another set and then analyze it. Super easy. In the logical syllogism chapter, I have told you what is the meaning of all x are y, some x are y, no x are y, some x are not y. Exactly that is what is asked in this question. Are you all able to identify that this is the same thing we have discussed there? Yeah, so I will start explaining. Inquisitive means a nature to learn or ready to learn more things or ready to learn new things. So that character is called inquisitive. As I told, if you don't know that meaning also, in this question there is no problem. So let us draw the Venn diagram. All students are inquisitive means what? Student set should be subset of inquisitive set, isn't it? All something are x. Some students are inquisitive means what? Student set and inquisitive set should have an intersection. This part is the meaning of some students are inquisitive. No students is inquisitive means what? Student set is completely disjoint from inquisitive set. Some students are not inquisitive means what? The same Venn diagram, but what we are focusing is different. Some students are not inquisitive means these students are not inquisitive. Now, these are different variation. In this case also, some students are not inquisitive. Students are inquisitive. There are different variations. That means in the case of no students is inquisitive is also some students are not inquisitive is possible. That is a possibility. Now read the question carefully. Which of the following is simultaneously not true? It is not asking true, simultaneously not true. मतलब ये चारों केस में क्या क्या एक साथ नहीं हो सकता, एक साथ एक्सिस्ट नहीं कर सकता. 1 and 2, can it exist together? All students are inquisitive, some students are inquisitive. Yes, all students being inquisitive is not contradicting some students being inquisitive. For example, I'll tell you, you know the data that, so you know that in your class, some of your friends, or think about your college situation, some of your friends have fever. If all of your friends have fever also, we can still say, so you understood that some of your friends have fever. So you have told to someone that some of your friends have fever. Now, after some time, you realize that all of your friends have fever. Still, your statement, some of your friends have fever, is not wrong. Now, what you told is still not a lie. It is still a truth. Because even if all of them have fever, some of them have fever is also correct. Now, that is not contradicting. Are you understanding that point? So, all students are inquisitive means some students are inquisitive is totally not contradictory. It is not contradictory. That means at a time 1 and 2 can occur, but no true is asked. So 1 and 2 can be true at the same time, no problem. Are you all understanding? So option A is not the answer because not true is the ask. So 2 and 4. Some students are inquisitive, some students are not inquisitive. Yeah, I already told you that. In this case, these students are not inquisitive, totally possible. Now, some students are inquisitive. For example, this Venn diagram. Some students are inquisitive, these students are inquisitive, and these students are not inquisitive. These are the not inquisitive students. That means at the same time, 2 and 4 can exist. So 2 and 4 can be true at the same time. So that is also not the answer. Now what about 1 and 3? Can it be existing at the same time, or can it be true at the same time? Let us understand that. Let us understand that. All students are inquisitive and no students are inquisitive. All students are inquisitive, no students are inquisitive. That is not possible at all. Now think about the example I told you. All your friends have fever, none of your friends have fever. If all your friends have fever, none of your friends have fever is not true. If none of your friends have fever, all your friends have fever is not true. At that time, only one of it is correct now, because it is mutually contradictory. It is mutually contradictory. It is like saying, I am saying that it is raining outside now in a particular part of India. And you are saying that it is not raining outside in that same particular part of India. That is contradictory. At that time, these two cannot be true. Same way, all students are inquisitive, no students are inquisitive cannot be possible. There is no intersection at all. That is a simple meaning. For it to be true together, there should be at least one element common. At least one element common. So, but the problem is at least not one element common. In the Venn diagram, there should be a part. For example, in this case, some are inquisitive, some are not inquisitive. The same Venn diagram itself, with the same students, we can represent that. But in the case of all students are inquisitive, all student subset of inquisitive, no students are inquisitive, there is, these two Venn diagrams are totally distinct. Now, are you all understanding? That is why these two cannot be true at the same time. So, not simultaneously true may be the exact wording. Yeah, whatever it is, memory based wording, you understood the meaning of the question now. So 1 and 3 is the correct answer. For your further understanding, 3 and 4, if you want, we will analyze. 3 and 4 is by saying what? No students is inquisitive. No students is inquisitive. And some students are not inquisitive. Yes. No students are inquisitive still. That will work. Students inquisitive. Some students are not inquisitive. Which students are not inquisitive? These students are not inquisitive. Still that is okay. So at that time, 3 and 4 can exist or can be true, but 1 and 3 cannot be true at the same time. That is why option C is the correct answer. It is a good Venn diagram question or good logical syllogism problem. Logical syllogism, anyone who is attending this live or recorded, if you want detailed learning in this series, we have discussed detailed explanation and many questions on this, previous year question papers on this. So check it out for further learning. Okay, so this was a kind of data interpretation question, but I am not sure whether there is any mistake in the question. But if this is the question was so simple. So anyway, try it. And those who, if anyone have seen this question or anyone have wrote this exam, if you remember, if there is any change in the question, please let me know. Anyway, try this. The answers. Okay, some of you already got it. Simple only. Question is so simple. Himanshu, okay, yeah, it is clear, I guess. Okay, I'll start explaining. In a recently conducted national entrance test, boys constituted 65% of those who appeared for the test. So I will give you clarity. If total 100 people appeared in the test, boys, girls, total 100. 65% of that 100, 65 people, just an example. I'm not saying 100 people were there, but I'm just telling an example to make you understand the meaning of the question. 65 boys and the rest are girls. That is why 35 girls are there. Again, as I told, the exact words may differ slightly, but this is the whole idea of the question. That is what I understood from the question students have sent me. So rest are girls, and girls accounted for 60% of the qualified candidates. So this is total. Now qualified candidates, if you take, in that qualified 60%, we don't know what is that qualified number, but 60% are girls. So definitely 40% are boys. Now that is enough to conclude the answer here. Nothing else is needed, because first option is saying what? Number of boys who qualified the test is less than the number of girls who qualified. Obviously, 60% of a number is obviously less than 60. sorry, 40% of number is less than 60% of the number. Now, that is why option A is readily the answer. Are you all understanding option A, Q answer A? All of you? Again, if this is the question, this is the answer. But if there is any slight variation, the number of girls is equal to 60%. The number of girls who appeared the test is, sorry, number of girls who appeared the test is equal to 60% of the number of girls, sorry, number of girls who qualified the test is equal to 60% of the girls who appeared. If something like that was the question, then the total scenario will change. Then you need more data also. That is why I think this is the question. Let us wait for the official question paper to come. At that time, if the question is any different, that time I will give a session. Yeah, anyway, after the official question paper comes, I will be taking a paper analysis, not paper analysis, a complete solution video there also. So anyway, 40% of X is clearly less than 60% of X. So option A is the correct answer. But for practice, let us analyze the other options also and see why they are wrong. Number of boys qualified the test is equal to number of girls qualified. No, that is what we just told. 40% and 60% are not equal. So this is wrong. Number of boys appeared in the test is equal to number of girls appeared in the test. No, question says that is 65% and 35%. They are also different. Number of boys appeared in the test is less than the number of girls appeared. Number of boys appeared is less than, wrong. It is more than. 65, 35. 65 is more than. So that is also wrong. So only option that is correct is Kribavaram. No, I think the question they haven't told like that. What the question meant is 60% of the qualified candidates. That means total qualified candidates 60% will be male. Sorry, female. Again, I agree that there is a slight lack of clarity whether they meant that or not. Let the official question paper comes. That time we will understand it. I'm just giving this question so that you get an idea what kind of question came. So if this was the question and if they meant that 60% of the qualified candidates are girls, this is the answer. Okay, then yeah, this was a numbers chapter problem. Little tricky question, not tricky, time consuming question, but all of you try it. Due to lack of time, we could not discuss numeric ability more lectures, but anyway, try this. I will teach you with this question itself. Any answers? Not getting? Yeah, actually, maybe some of you are thinking about using minus b plus or minus root of b square plus 4ac. You try use 4ac by 2a. You try using it, you will understand there is a problem when you use it. That is not what Christian expect from you, because getting the roots is not that easy here. So this was a good question which makes you think. Simple idea only, little calculation is there, that's all. This little time consuming, but that simple idea how to reach there, that is what I'm going to teach you. If r is the root of the equation x square plus 2x plus 6, if r is the root of the equation x square plus 2x plus 6 means putting r instead of x, you should get it equal to 0, no? It should solve the equation. That means we can say r square plus 2r plus 6 is equal to 0. School math only. Are you all understanding that point? If r is the root of the equation, putting that, f of x should be equal to 0. So we can say r square plus 2r plus 6 equal to 0. Keep that equation there itself. Now we need to find this value. But as I told, if you try to solve this equation, you will get a complex root only, or it is not that easy to find it anyway. So let us not think about this too much. Let us think about this thing. Let us try to simplify it further and then try to use this first equation somehow in it. So I will just write it in the end. R square plus 2r plus 6 is equal to 0. That is one equation we got. Now that is r square now. So we need to create r square from this so that somehow we can try to cancel it with that. That is, we try to pair these two and pair these two and multiply it. R plus 2 into R plus 3, when you multiply R into R into 3, 2 into R, 2 into 3, add it up. R square plus 2R plus 3R, 5R. Due to lack of space, I am just directly writing it here. You can expand more if you want, or you can simplify more if you want. R into R into 5, 4 into R, 4 into 5. That is R square plus 4R plus 5R, 9R plus 20. Is this much clear? Now, somehow we need to use that, because you know that r square plus 2r plus 6 equal to 0. So try to substitute it here. R square is here, 5r is here, 6 is here. We don't want 5r, we need 2r. So 5r is actually 2r plus 3r. Na? So shall I write this as r square plus 2r plus 6 plus 3r? Because r square plus 2r plus 6 is 0. That is the catch. That is why I'm writing 5r as 2r plus 3r, and then r square plus 2r plus 6 I'm writing together so that I can substitute it directly. Similarly, here 9r and 20 is there. We don't want 9r, we need 2r and 6. So let us take 2r and 6 only from here. R square plus 2r plus 7r plus 6 plus 14 is, writing like this is not a mistake. Na? 9r as 2r plus 6r, 20 as 6 plus 4. So that this r square, 2r and 6, these three will make a 0. And 7r plus 14 only remains. Are you all understanding? So shall I write 0 plus 3r here? And shall I write into r square plus 2r plus 6? I am not writing steps. So r square plus 2r plus 6 is 0. 0 plus 7r plus 14. Now this you need to multiply. 0 you don't want. So you can, just a minute. So 0 plus 3r is 3r itself, and 0 plus 7r plus 14 is 7r plus 14 itself. So that is 3r into 7r plus 14 you need to multiply. Open up the brackets and multiply. That is 21r square plus 14 into 3r, 42r. 42r. Take 21 outside. 21 outside, r square plus 2r you will get. Look at this. R square plus 2r plus 6 is 0. So r square plus 2r will be what? Minus 6 now. So substitute this minus 6 directly here. 21 into minus 6. 21 into minus 6. 21 into minus 6 is minus 126. So minus 126 will be the correct answer. How many of you understood this? How many of you understood this? Time consuming, but good question. School math only, nothing new you need here. School math only, some simplification skills are needed. If there is any doubt, please ask. Otherwise, we can go to the next question. This was the probability question asked. Probability was asked in most of the question paper. So make it try. Some question paper had 2 questions. Probability is a topic that we have discussed a lot. Probability and permutation combination. In this question paper, probability also was there. Permutation combination also was there. So make a try, all of you. Again, question, slight variations can be there in this question, but this was the overall meaning of the question that I have verified in multiple sources. This was the overall meaning. Athletic beats, I will try to add it in the upcoming sessions. Try it, all of you. Any answers? Very good. Some of you already got it. So we have discussed in our course also with the replacement case and without replacement case. I told you that both ways question can come. And what they have done is they have mixed it up together. In this question, with the replacement is also coming, without replacement is also coming. And fundamental principle of counting that we have discussed many times, that is needed obviously. So a box contains 5 balls of the same size and shape or identical balls. 3 of them are green and 2 of them are orange in color. So ये box में 3 green ball है और 2 orange balls है. So total 5 balls, 3 are green and 2 are orange. Balls are drawn from the box one at a time. Normally that is how it happens. Now if a green ball is drawn, it is not replaced. That means if you are taking out a green ball, that ball you will not put it back, or not identical ball you will put it back. That means if you are taking out a green ball, the number of balls in the box get reduced. But if you are taking out an orange ball, the situation is different. So if an orange ball is drawn, if you put the same ball back into the box also, it's okay. or another identical ball, another identical orange ball should be put back into the box. That means if you are taking out an orange ball, it is with the replacement case. That is what the question is saying. If you are taking out a green ball, that is without a replacement case. With the replacement, without replacement, we have discussed many times this concept. Check out that lecture, new students, for further learning. Probability, we have discussed 2 sessions on probability. So first ball is drawn. First ball is drawn. Then what is the probability of getting an orange ball in the second row? We are only concerned about second row. Second row should be orange for sure. That means first ball can be orange also, green also. First ball can be orange also. That means orange, green and orange probability also we need. Orange and orange probability also we need. Green and orange means first one green and second one orange. Orange and orange means first one orange and second one orange. Because question only says second ball should be orange ball. So first ball can be green ball also, first ball can be orange ball also. But if first ball is green, the situation is without replacement case. If first ball is orange, situation is with the replacement case. So this or that you need. Iska bhi probability chahiye, iska bhi probability chahiye. Or means addition. We have discussed many a times fundamental principle of counting, addition rule. And means multiplication, fundamental principle of counting, multiplication rule. So that is why. Then probability basic definition, record number by total number is probability. Na? So first one green probability will be how much? Let us find it. First one green, when you are randomly taking a ball, that to be green, what is the probability? 3 green balls are there out of total 5 balls. Required number 3, total number 5. So it will be 3 by 5. Na? Is that clear? 3 by 5. First one to be green probability will be 3 by 5. Now second one to be orange probability. If you are taking a green ball, understand that you are not putting it back into the box. It is not replaced. Not replacement case. So definitely number of balls in the box got reduced to 4. Because the green ball you have taken out now, that is missing in the box. So only 4 balls are there. And how many of them are orange? Total number 4. Required number is 2. So 2 out of 4 will be orange. And means multiplication. So 3 by 5 into 2 by 4 will be the probability of getting green ball and then an orange ball. Same way, orange ball and an orange ball, let us take that case. Getting an orange ball and then again an orange ball. Let us take that scenario. First getting an orange ball, 2 orange ball out of total 5 balls. So 2 by 5. But remember, if you are getting an orange ball, it is replaced with another orange ball or similar orange ball. That means 2 out of 5 itself is the probability of getting an orange on the second take also. So 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 will be the answer. Sorry, will be the case of orange and orange. First one orange and second one orange. We need both these scenario now. So total probability will be sum of both of these. Sum of both of these means simplify this. 4 and 2 cancels. This will be 3 by 20. 3 by 10 and this will be 4 by 25. Taking LCM, you will get 50 and this is 3 into 5, 15 plus 4 into 2, 8. 23 by 50 will be the answer. 23 by 50, option B is the correct answer. Is this clear? Yes, Kripavaram, spatial aptitude question was there in the afternoon set. Saturday afternoon set. Sunday afternoon I haven't seen. I think it was there, but I haven't seen all the questions. So I hope all of you understood this. So this was a very good question based on the same ideas we have discussed, but they have asked, they have mixed up with the replacement and without replacement. Understanding the question correctly and answering is important. This was in the afternoon set, I guess. Yeah, this question, I'm not sure whether exactly this was a question. If this is the question, how to answer, I will explain. Make a try, all of you. Or if you try it, permutation combination question. So tomorrow 6 p.m. also we will continue the series, and tomorrow 11 a.m. in Unacademy special class platform also paper analysis is done of the other sets. So you are welcome to attend that also. Again, these 4 options are also imaginary. The exact 4 options, whether these were the 4 options, we don't know. This question, I will explain the different versions of the same question so that you get a clarity. Make a try. After that, I will explain. Okay, some of you got it right, so I will start explaining. Again, first I will clarify the meaning of this question and clarify the different possibilities of the same question. After getting the official question paper only, we will understand which of those possibilities were asked. Here there are 6 identical balls and 3 identical containers. All the 3 containers are same, identical. That means you cannot consider them as A, B, C. You have to consider them A itself. It looks alike. Like the previous question, green ball, 3 green ball, that is same. We cannot distinguish them. Same way the 6 identical balls, you cannot take A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If first ball is B, all balls are B, 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 B. That is the 6 balls we can say. That identical word is very important. But as I told, there is some things that is missing in the question. Some lack of clarity is there in the question. That whether you should use all the 6 balls or not, that is not clear. If that condition is there, answer will change. If that condition is not there, so I will assume that all 6 balls should be used. All 6 balls should be used, and all 3 containers, all 3 containers, we can think like a container can have any number of balls, 0 to 6, any number of balls. Again, maybe question have some things to denote all that, or from the nature of answer option, we may be able to conclude that. But this question, I don't know whether it is complete or not. There may be more sentence in this question, but I am explaining the concept. If all the 6 are identical balls and all the 3 are identical containers, and in a container, any number of balls can go in any container, but all the 6 balls should be used. All the 6 balls should be used. In that case, how to do this question? That is what I am telling. So 3 identical containers are there now. So first possibility is 6 balls in this container, second 0, third 0. That is a possibility now. Is that clear? 6, 0, 0. Is that clear? Now my question is 0, 6, 0, is it a different possibility or not? 0, 6, 0. That means first container 6 balls, second container 0 balls, third container 0 balls. Is it different from first container 0 balls, second container 6 ball, third container 0 ball? Or is it different from 0, 0, 6? Are they different or same? They all are same because the containers are identical. These are just rearrangement. That does not make a different arrangement. It is not a distinct arrangement. These 3 are same arrangement itself. In permutation combination chapter, many questions we discussed where All are not identical. They are different things. Like word arrangement question, anagram problem. Their all letters were distinct letters. That is why we have to consider that 3 into 2 into 1 or 6 into 5 into 4. Here you cannot use that. That's a difference. The word identical changes the whole scenario. So that is why I am assuming, that is why 600 is a possibility. Now don't rearrange 60006. That is not different arrangements. Now with 6 there is any other possibility with 6. 600 means first container 6, second container 0, third container 0. 510 is a possibility. Na? 510. 5 in first container, 1 in second, third container empty. That is also possible. With 5, is there any other possibility? No. With 4, 411 is a possibility. Na? 4 in first, but 1 in 1, 1 in second and 1 in third. Another possibility. 420 is also a possibility. 420, 402 all are same. Then 4 cases are over. Now with 3, 311 is a possibility. 320 is a possibility. 330 is also a possibility. Are you all understanding this? 311, 320, 330 is also a possibility. Finally, one second. Okay, there's a problem now. Okay. Yeah, 320 is wrong. 321. 321. Yeah, then finally 222 is also possible. 222 also is possible. So there will be, is there any other arrangement we have missed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 will be the answer by that logic. Okay, I think earlier when I thought about this question, I missed one of the arrangement. Is this clear, all of you? Okay, 311. Yeah, this is a mistake. Yeah, yeah, that is what I thought, that this I have listed out earlier, but this 8 cases was not there. Not 311 is not possible. 321 is what is possible. 311 I have written wrongly. Again, I am assuming question may have some indication in the question that all balls should be used. If all balls are not used, there are many other possibilities. 7 or 8 will not be the answer. Answer will be maybe, I think 28 comes, if that is the case. So anyway, there are 7 possibilities like this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, if you have any other possibility in your mind, tell me. Let's see whether that is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possibility. Yeah, there is a mathematical way to do this that I will teach you in an upcoming class. I need to teach you this in detail. That time I will explain. Yeah, 311 is not possible. Thank you all of you. So these are the 7 possibilities. So 7 should be the answer. Again, the answer may not be 7 if there is any other addition or any other things in the question that states otherwise. But if the question, what I explained the question now, if that is the question, answer will be 7. That all the balls should be used, but containers can have 0 to 6 any number of balls, and identical containers and identical balls case. So that is why 7 is the correct answer. Hope this is also clear. So these were the questions I got from the morning set. Some questions students have sent partially only. I'm not able to make out the meaning of the question because some sentences are missing in that. That we will add when official question paper comes. Yeah, this also was a question. Sorry, this question also is there. This question, the image I will draw for you. The image I will draw for you. Just read the question. I will draw the image for you. Just a minute. Let me check the image and I will draw it roughly. This is a good question again. This question and that numeric ability question, these were the only time consuming questions. Others easy, or you can do most of those other questions very fast. Yeah, the picture was something like this. And already these markings are there that you cannot change. Just a minute. Just a minute, let me just verify the picture is exactly like this or not. Sorry, it is not complete. Okay, I think that picture, there is some clarity, lack of clarity. Anyway, this is the another question asked. There was a picture also. The answer will come out to be three as the answer. I will show you that picture tomorrow. As I told, these are the questions I could compile. So tomorrow, the pending questions I will add in the tomorrow slide. So we have discussed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the eighth question is what I showed you now. Two questions I don't get it fully the question paper. If any of you know the extra two questions that I haven't discussed, text it in the comments or telegram me directly. So I hope today's discussion was useful for all of you. Did you understand the things? And if so, please hit the like button and share this video to maximum people. Anyone who is looking forward for the answer key or the paper analysis immediately after the exam, share it to all of them. Any B.Tech stream or any science stream students who are preparing for the upcoming GATE exam also, you can share it. And those who are preparing for the coming Saturday, Sunday GATE exam also, share it to them so that they can know the type of questions. And then invite your friends to tomorrow 6 p.m. class. We will continue this session and learn more. So, and take some theory classes of those topics that we haven't discussed yet also. So, and be part of these resources for further learning and further updates. So that's it. Thank you all for attending the session. Take care, all of you. Have a good night. Prepare well. Those who are preparing for the upcoming exam, prepare well. So thank you all. Take care, all of you. Have a good night.